They can kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body, but they will not able to crush my spirit. Hello everyone, I am Dhanraj, and today I am going to give you a short review of this book, Why I Am an Atheist by Shahid-e-Azam Bhagat Singh. He wrote this book when he was in Lahore jail in 1930. His friends started questioning his atheism. They said that Bhagat Singh has become an atheist because of his pride in his achievements. So he wrote this essay in response to that it is because reason that he is an atheist, not because of his ego. So you must have heard these lines: revolution is an inalienable right of mankind and freedom is a birthright of all, which means that human being is born with the right to live free, and if someone takes that away, it is his natural right to fight back and reclaim it. I just want to read these lines on page number 10. Study to enable yourself to face the arguments advanced by opposition. Study to arm yourself with arguments in favor of your cult, and I began to study. Such a beautiful lines, and he raises some serious questions like that omnipotent, omniscient, omnipresent God, why did he create the world in the first place when he had the power to not create it? So if you are a theist, you must ask yourself that do you have the answers of this question, and you are a theist because your parents are theists, or it is you decided to be a theist. So I just want to tell you that please don't judge this book because of its title. If you are a theist, you must read this book because it will give you the ability to critically think. And I want to just give an example that if your elders, your society is saying you to do something, they are elder to you doesn't mean they are right. You have your brain, just critically examine it, and if you think that it is right, then go for it. And what was my reason to read this book? I always wondered that if Bhagat Singh was an atheist, then what was the source behind his courage? And now after reading this book, I have the answer. The love for humanity and the love for his principles was the source behind his courage. So in last, I just want to dedicate this 4 lines to reflect the mindset of Bhagat Singh. इस कदर वाकिफ है मेरी कलम मेरे जज्बातों से, मैं इश्क भी लिखना चाहूँ तो इनकलाब लिख जाता है. I hope you will read this book, and if you want to read this book, you can issue it from BHC India. Thank you everyone for your time.